just before we move to our next video, there is something else as well. Sorry, it just came in my mind. So if you come to allowable deduction in the same chapter, please. I won't share the screen now. Just go to page number 12 of F6 notes. If you are following P6, then in the same employment income chapter, just find the topic of allowable deduction, please. So under allowable deduction, this is a list of expenses which you can deduct. Now we have seen salary, we have seen bonus, and lots of benefits as well. We will have to deduct what we have paid towards the benefits, and then we will have to deduct deductions. Now this deduction which we are going to see now, allowable deduction. A contribution to occupational pension scheme will be deductible. Subscription to professional bodies, ACCA's subscription fee, or ACA, ICW's subscription fee will also be deductible. Payment to charity under payroll deduction scheme will be deductible. Payment for liability incurred due to his employment. So if you have been negligent and you have to pay something, then that will be deductible as well. Payment for premium of insurance to cover the liability to be incurred. So if you have insurance premium in your employment, that will also be deducted. Approved mileage allowance. Approved mileage allowance we have already seen anyway. Qualifying travel expenses will also be deductible. Now what are qualifying travel expenses? Now these are given to us in the 3 lines below. If you're going from your home to your normal place of work where you normally go, that is not deductible, because you normally have to go to your office anyway. All right, so that is not going to be deductible. However, if you travel expense from a normal place of work to temporary place of work, so you are going from your normal office to your temporary office, that is going to be deductible. Likewise, travel expenses for travel between your home to your temporary place of work is deductible if it is not more than for 24 consecutive months. All right, so if you're going from your home to your temporary place of work for less than 24 months, then it is deductible. However, if it is more than 24 months, then of course it is not a temporary place of work, it is permanent place of work. All right, so from your home to your normal place of work, not deductible. From your normal place of work to your temporary place of work, deductible. From your home to your temporary place of work, only deductible if it is for less than 24 months. All right, now this is also explained in the shape of a little diagram below, so it tells us exactly the same thing. And after that, cost of business telephone calls on private phone is deductible, but no part of line rent is deductible. So line rent cost will not be deductible. Business calls on your private home telephone will be deductible. An appropriate portion of cost on heating, lighting, and council tax incurred by employee while working partly or wholly at home. We've already seen this anyway. So if you're working at home and you're doing the office work, then cost of that will be deductible. All right, and in the note it says, if above mentioned expenses are paid by the employer, then it will be an exempt benefit for the employer, for the employee. Now we are assuming that all of these expenses which we have seen, allowable deductions, all of these are paid by employee. Now say for example, if the employer pays toward these allowable deduction, then it says it is going to be exempt benefit. All right, so that's it for this video lecture. As far as F6 is concerned, this video lecture is finished and our chapter is finished as well. Now if you're a P6 student, then you might see other video lecture as well under the P6 section. All right, so that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video lecture, and we will continue with our journey of UK taxation. Good luck to you, and bye-bye.